Y'all liked my first 5 epic effects videos so much that I thought it was time for round 2. So here is 5 more epic effects with Davinci Resolve. Text behind subject. Drag a text layer above your clip, enter your text, and resize it to your liking. Option drag a second copy of your video clip above the text clip. With your playhead over the clip, go to the Fusion page. Press Shift Spacebar, type Magic Mask, and click Add. Draw a line inside your main subject and track in both directions. Back in the Edit page, you have the option to add keyframes in the Transform section to get your text to move to add some extra spice. Locked on Stabilization. With your playhead over your clip, go to the Fusion page. Press Shift Spacebar, type Tracker, and click Add. Place the green crosshairs above the thing you want to track. An area of high contrast works best, and then track it in both directions. Go to Operation, select Match Move, then BG Only. As you scrub through the timeline, to get rid of the gaps on the side, press Shift Spacebar, type Transform, and click Add. Use the size and center settings to zoom in and adjust your footage up and down and side to side until there's no gaps when you scrub through the clip. Light rays. Search Open Effects for light rays and drag it onto your clip. Under Effects, use the position settings to place the light source in the same place the sun is located in your footage. Change the composite mode to screen, adjust the length settings to taste, and you can even use the color setting to give your light a nice warm glow. Super slow-mo. The faster your frame rate, the more you can slow down your clip. Select your clip and type Command R. Grab the upper right edge and slow it down by as much as 5%. In the inspector, select Retime and Scaling. Select Optical Flow and Speed Warp Better. Time glitch. Option drag a copy of your clip up and over to the right by 2 frames. Put your playhead where you want the glitch effect to start. Select both clips and cut them. Move to the right 2 frames and cut them again. Repeat this several times. Delete the bottom end clip, then select and delete every other short clip, and delete the top clip at the beginning. And if you like these, then you are gonna love this video of top creative tricks you can do with your 360 camera. Now grab your camera and go make some magic.